Thank you, my friend. Take care. All right. That Uber driver and I did not say one word to each other. He just kept burping. Baloney burps. All right. Welcome to India. I have just arrived here in Delhi, and I'm already leaving because I can't see another dog with no pulse on the streets. Wow. All right, so join me on my first bus adventure. We're gonna go to Agra. It was about $8. I have no idea if I'm dropped off in the right location or not. Doesn't really seem like it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to find this bus station, and we have a 3-hour journey to Agra, so join me. Do you know where I go for Ashram Metro?
That metro.
Here? Okay. That way?
We are going
Agra.
Agra.
Yeah.
No.
No. Bus?
But Kashmiri IBT but the Kashmiri gate.
Yeah, it says RK Ashram.
Agra that metro
So
no
for
found
the-
even.
No, it's not here. Not here.
No.
Okay. This is unreal already. I have an hour, actually less than an hour before the bus leaves now. I just want to make sure I'm in the right place, and then I need to get like a coffee or something. But this is tough. I think I'm getting pranked because the phone number they have attached to the bus, listen to what it is.
Welcome to America's hottest hotline. Guys, hot ladies are waiting to talk to you. Press 1 now.
That's their contact number for support. So if this is a prank, I mean, it's only $8, but I need to get to Agra at some point today. Hi, I'm trying to go to...
Yes, come.
Okay, Asha, where, do you know where it is?
Agra.
Yeah. The metro? Yeah.
Metro. This side.
That's right. I walk up?
Walk up.
Okay. For bus?
After bus.
Bus? I take bus, not train.
Bus stand.
Yeah.
Nainital Masuri wala bus stand.
Is
Bus.
it right there?
Yes, come.
Okay. How far?
Come.
I have to walk, or how many rupees? How many rupees? Kitna rupees? 100. Okay. Alright, thank you. 100? Okay. 150. Okay. 150. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Good morning from New Delhi. What's that? Okay. Alright, thank you. Appreciate it. I've talked to like 5 different super drivers. They all tell me different directions. But we're gonna trust this homie. 200 rupees. Here? I don't know.
This bus stop. No.
Can I ask? Can I ask them?
Agra Ashram.
I'm gonna ask. Okay, 1 second. Stay here. Okay.
Okay. Bus.
Hi. You speak English?
Yes.
Okay. I'm trying to go to Agra. I have a bus at RK Ashram Express. It's right here.
आगरा वाली बस मिलेगी
ये निगो.
Okay. At 7:45, it'll be
Yeah.
here? Okay.
This
Perfect.
side.
Thank you.
Okay, standing voice.
Oh, down there.
Yeah.
It's wait there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, my friend. Have a good day. Thank you. I can walk. It's okay. I'm good. Thank you.
Sit down. Go.
Have a good day. Thank you. Let's hope Agra has some peace of mind there. Need some water. I actually really want to get some coffee because I stayed in Delhi for 3 days, and I was supposed to catch up on my. He's still talking to me. I was supposed to catch up on my sleep the last 3 days, but I literally got 0 hours of sleep last night. So I got to try to find a coffee shop or something though. It's like literally a 30-second walk, and he's trying to get me on the bike. But also, I'm mistrusting this one guy. Because if this is not where I need to be, then I'm in the lack of a bus. I really hope this is the bus. Okay, I can go ahead? Okay, thank you.
This is not. Next bus.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That's the right bus. I'm on the 7:45 one. I'm also about to cross the street and get rocked. Riding with two bags is not ideal. There's like a strip right here. And I need like some snackies for this 3.5 hour. I actually don't even know how long it is. Maybe 4 hours. I think we're just gonna have to take the L because I don't see any convenience stores. Like everything's closed, so. Also, this bus stop is begging territory, which I never film. But just me standing here, people gumming up to my face, just I'm like, all right.
You come Agra ke liye?
Yes.
Seat number? Sir, seat number?
9D.
9D.
Yes.
Sir, name?
Austin Coltrane.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, let's see. Clutch. Excuse me. All we have to hope for. Oh my gosh. All we have to hope for is that no one sits next to us. Look at this leg room. Got an AC vent blowing right on us. I mean, what more can you ask for, India? Gonna listen to music, do some sightseeing. I'm super grateful there's AC and I have an entire row. Like there's some people behind me and in front of me, but peaceful vibes. So I would destroy a bag of Cheez-Its right now and a Red Bull, but still grateful. I actually don't know how many stops we have, but that's a good amount of people getting on this bus. So. Okay, they just handed out some waters. It's room temperature, but we'll take it. Also, that last bus stop we did. And I looked on maps, and it's 2.5 hours. So, cheers.
We are going come here. Come here. We are going tuk-tuk. Come here.
I'm okay. I'm good. I'll Uber.
Okay,
I'll
okay.
Uber. Yeah.
Eh?
Good, thank you.
Tuk-tuk.
Oh, it's hot. I'm
Only
good.
200.
I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. That bus ride took like I'm getting attacked by two drivers. That drive took about like 4 hours. Actually, wait. So yeah, it did. I was on that bus for a little more than 4 hours. And the thing was, we just did like so many stops, and I didn't sleep at all because it was just nonstop. I'm good. Thank you. That was just non-stop. But it still feels a little overstimulating like Delhi. But I also just got dumped off in the worst spot possible. I just need to find, there's a cow up here. Hello. There's a cow with some horns. Full on bull right there. I'm fine, thank you. Have a good day. But I'm just walking in this direction because I was getting attacked by two drivers. So I'm just gonna try to find like a grocery store, go to my hotel, and listen to my music for plants. Play this on Spotify. Agra is still giving pure chaos. Thank you. I'm gonna go check into my hotel real quick. This is what $20 US gets you in Agra. Toothpaste and toilet paper. That's all you can ask for. My last place in Delhi for 3 nights, no toilet paper. I'm fine, thank you. Right here, no thank you. There's a English place right here where we're gonna check out. I see snacks, so that's all we need. Thank you. Alright, very awkward situation. Like 25 people just sitting there staring. I get the camera brings attention, but it's just super uncomfortable. There wasn't food. So I don't know what I'm doing for dinner, but I got hot Cheetos. And that's all that matters. I'm okay. I'm good, thank you. Surprisingly, I'm getting a lot more looks in Agra than I was in Delhi. But this still feels like Delhi to me, I'm not gonna lie. Not much has changed, besides the Taj Mahal, which I'm doing tomorrow. But I'm gonna end the video here. That was my bus ride from hell, from New Delhi to Agra, which was a total of, I believe, almost $9 and over 4 hours. So I'm gonna go cry. I'm okay, thank you though. I'm gonna go have some tears in my hotel room, listen to some meditation music, and have my hot Cheetos. So thank you guys for joining. I'm in India for a month, so I'll have a lot more videos coming out. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.